welcome once again to the Public School Teacher YouTube channel. And in this video is another episode of Worksheet Saturday. I have here a worksheet that I just recently created for the lesson on plural form of regular nouns. So if you are wondering what regular nouns are, you can actually check the tutorial video, the learning video that I created that discussed what regular nouns are and how to create the plural form of regular nouns. So you check the lesson video on the description box below. So here I have created a worksheet that complements the learning video that I created for plural form of regular nouns. So the worksheet that I created is actually divided into two parts, and then using this worksheet you can actually do 3 activities for the lesson on plural form of regular nouns. So I have here the first part in which you can see 15 words. These are all regular nouns. And the first activity that you can do is letting your students or your kid simply tell or write the plural form of regular nouns. So for example, for dog, they can just say dogs, or they can write it down on a piece of paper, the spelling of the plural form of such regular noun. So dogs. That's easy. That's the first activity that you can do. Another activity that you can do with this worksheet, with these words, is you can actually cut the words that you can see here, and then you can all put them face down on a desk to add some mystery. The student or the kid would give the plural form of the regular nouns. So for example, he or she would get the word blank here, then he or she will simply say or write the plural form of the regular noun. So basically it's just adding some mystery to the activity. And then another thing for the third activity that you can do with your kid or your student is to use the second part of the worksheet, which is basically a very simple plural nouns board game. So from the words here, you can actually cut them again, and then you can paste the words here on the slots here, and then using a dice and then this board game, you can actually play this from here, starting here until the finish. So for example, if the kid or your student would throw in a dice and the number 3 would appear, so he or she will count 1, 2, 3, and then whatever the word is in here, for example, the word car is here, then he or she will give the plural form of that regular noun, and then you can actually take turns. If you have 2 or more students, they can actually take turns in throwing the dice and giving out the plural form of the regular nouns that is in the game board. So that's basically 3 activities that you can do with this worksheet. I hope you and your kids or your students would enjoy playing the board game and doing all of the activities that I suggested. So again, if you want a blank copy of this worksheet, like if you want to change the words here, you feel free to leave a comment down below or email me on the email address that is there on the description box below, and I'm going to give you the blank template of this worksheet. Thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Worksheet Saturday. Teach, learn, and have fun. Bye!